so blue and deep. The fish are swimming, in waves they leap. The dolphin jumps so high and bright. The clownfish swims with colors so light. The whale is big with a splash so loud. The turtle swims slowly, so calm and proud. The shark is speedy with fins so strong. The octopus has arms that go on and on. The seahorse dances so small and bright. The jellyfish floats in the soft moonlight. The crab walks sideways, click, clack, click. The starfish shines so calm and slick. The penguin waddles in the icy blue. The manatee moves so slow and true. The angelfish flutters with wings of gold. The squid squirts ink so bold and cold. The ray glides smoothly just like a kite. The lobster hides in a hole out of sight. The seal barks happily, rolling on the shore. The manta ray soars and we all adore. The narwhal has a horn like a unicorn's dream. The swordfish has a bill, sharp and keen. The dugong swims calmly, a cousin of the manatee. The killer whale is fierce, but so wild and free. Oh, the pufferfish puffs up, it's fun to see. The butterfly fish flutters gracefully. The hermit crab hides in a shell so tight. And the whale shark swims the biggest inside.